What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Bunion Splint in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Bunion Corrector for Women. SATISFACTIONGURANTE. At Corrector, our goal is to help provide support, delivery relief, and help ease any discomfort you may feel. There is a full purchase price refund within 30 days of your purchase if you are not happy for any reason. After 30 days, there is a 60 days full replacement warranty on your Bunion Splints for any manufacturing defect. Purchase your Bunion Splint with confidence. A DJUST, a BLEA, NDCUSTOMFITFORU. SIZES 511. Other brands' Correctors cut into feet, and others slip off very easily. Our adjustable design is suitable for both men and women, and secures with 3 non-slip straps around the heel, instep, and big toe. Our Bunion Corrector for women and men keeps in place even while sleeping. LLEVIA-TEBUNIONPIN. 94% of users felt more comfort. Our Petty Ease 3-layer cushioning can provide instant and ongoing relief for bunions, arthritis, and post-surgery discomfort. The ergonomically designed shape can help reduce friction and absorb pressure, unlike other splints, which can increase tenderness. PROVIDESDOYNDOVERNIGHTSUPPORT. Our Bunion Corrector for men and women is not a miracle fix to hallux valgus, but will help alleviate discomfort. Use our Bunion Corrector 20 minutes a day and overnight for support. Number 2. Bunion Corrector for Women and Men. Big Toe. Bunion pads for secure fit. These bunion toe straightener sleeves are one size fits all and can be enjoyed by men and women alike. The stretchable fabric conforms to your foot shape individually. Features a gel bunion comfort cushion. Includes a silicone gel pad that protects the bunion. It acts as a buffer to the sensitive bunion area to prevent rubbing and friction. Satisfaction guaranteed. Made of durable, medical-grade materials to instantly reduce daily discomfort of bunion and hammer-toe pain. Wear these for ultimate bunion protection and relief. Designed as Bunion Corrector and Bunion Relief, this bunion sleeve is specifically designed to soothe bunions and make our life more comfortable. Cushions and supports the bunion area so your steps can become pain-free again. Can be worn in all kinds of shoes. These bunion cushions are suitable to be worn in all kinds of footwear. Whether you are attending an elegant event or playing sports, you can depend on these for total comfort. Number 3. Vive Bunion Corrector for Women and Men. Exceptional bunion pain relief. Relieves discomfort and pain caused by bunions, hallux valgus, and crooked toes by protecting and gently realigning the toe. Also reduces friction, pressure, and inflammation for complete bunion pain relief. Vive Guarantee. 60-day guarantee so you can purchase now with confidence. Protects and supports toe, providing protection and support. The Bunion Splint uses an integrated aluminum brace to supply constant, gentle pressure on the big toe to realign it and slow the progression or formation of bunions. Flexible sizing fits most. The corrective bunion brace fits most individuals comfortably, utilizing adjustable straps to create the perfect fit. Lightweight and breathable. Lightweight and breathable. The Bunion Splint is made with a terry cloth material for a comfortable fit throughout the day and even overnight. Secured by an external elastic strap. The splint will not slip or bunch and can easily be worn with socks and most styles of shoes. Protect and cushion. Bunion pad works to cushion the side of your foot and keeps your foot from friction, rubbing, and pressure. The Bunion Shield covers your bunions, protects and cushions them a whole day. Number 4. Tech Love Bunion Corrector for Women and Men. Realigns the toes correctly. This toe straightener can help repair overlapping toes, hammer toes, hallux valgus, crooked toes, and other foot problems. It can relieve bunion and hallux valgus pain. By wearing a bunion protector, Bunion Splint will readjust the toes to their natural position. Carefully selected 5 PCS set, including day-night support, Bunion Corrector, daily and shoe support, toe separators, daily exercise, hallux valgus exercise band, and spare correction belt. Provide all-day protection. Made of high-quality materials, the bunion toe straightener can relieve hallux valgus to the greatest extent. The soft and easy-to-clean silicone inner pad can be used repeatedly. The creative steel wire design can be used in different correction periods to improve comfort. Upgraded version of the strap type orthotic. The knob design can freely adjust the correction angle according to the degree of valgus, and the scale adjustment can accurately adjust the correction angle. At the same time, the Bunion Toe Straightener correction force is stronger, which can also be used for moderate or serious valgus. Number 5. Bunion Corrector for Women Toe Separators. Elastic loop over the heel helps toe voids slip off, fits most feet sizes. After repeating tests and research, to fit for most US feet. Elastic around the heel prevents slipping off while sleeping in bed. Bunion pain relief and protection. Our bunion support brace is here to help ease the discomfort, pain, and inflammation caused by bunions. If you want relief from hallux valgus, overlapping toes, turf toe, or crooked hammer toes, exactly what you need. Bunion Corrector is designed to keep your foot and toe compressed gradually, and it gently pushes the toe back into its correct alignment over time. Excellent workmanship and reliable, smooth, well-crafted edges help tie avoid ribbing the foot. Breathable textile replicates foot shape with a snug fit. Built-in gel separator ensures its durability. Made of good-fitting elastic fabric that guarantees perfect breathability. Medical-grade gel is hypoallergenic. Easy maintenance. Developed with the assistance of doctors. Bunion Socks Protector can be used at night and in everyday activity. It is invisible in your shoes. If you feel you need a snugger fit, it is recommended to wear socks. 24 HRS Care Day-Night Support, including night support. The toe gel separators are carefully designed to maximize flexibility, soft and stretchable, easy to clean and reuse, provide all-day protection. Furthermore, it can also be used to prevent postoperative recurrence. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.